I'm going to the food bank, I'm going to get stuff that the food bank will throw away and not give to needy people because it doesn't fit the criteria. So it's gonna go in the garbage otherwise. I'm going to go to the food bank, circumvent the process, take this stuff before it hits the garbage can and go give it to the people who should have got it in the first place. The people who are hungry and homeless and down on their luck. They're gonna get this stuff as deserved, a little treat, a little something to brighten their day. So I don't know how long I'll be able to pull off this little charade before it gets kiboshed, before I get busted, which is weird. It's weird to think that I'm doing something wrong, you guys. I'm just gonna go take it from the bins rather than them having to come to the food bank and get it, which they can't. They can't get it. This stuff ends up in the garbage before it ends up in the mouth of needy people. Blows my mind. But this is the only way that I can get it to those people because they don't get it. They don't get it. I don't want to disclose my location or where I live or anything because what I'm doing is highly illegal. Okay, it's not illegal, but it feels like it is. Please don't ever disclose if you know where I am so I can continue to do this on a weekly basis. Otherwise, I'm sure I'll get cut off and they'll probably change the entire system at the food bank. So let's go in and get some goodies. Good morning. Get the green, thank you. Morning. Oh, those are empty boxes, okay. So this is it, guys. All this stuff in this bin is gonna get thrown away if I don't take it. Again, I can only assume maybe too much sugar content. I don't know. This is unbelievable. Look at this. You telling me that this stuff can't bring joy? Fucking fruit roll-ups. Unbelievable. All this stuff going in the trash. Crazy. Those are like $6. So after I fill up my 2 bins, I do have to bring them over here and get them weighed. They need to know what they're giving away for some reason. Okay, coming up here is a place where people, I think, are a little less fortunate. So I'm gonna just stop in here. What, is there people in here who might be able to use this stuff?
I could use that stuff.
It's just like candy and food and stuff.
Yeah, fill it up, Vanessa.
Yeah, you got any other friends that could use some?
A lot of people in there, yeah.
Maybe grab a couple of friends or something. You got any kids? There's some big candy canes there. Oh, okay. Oh, the fruit roll fell out. Put them back in the box.
No kids.
No kids?
No. Not yet.
Just grab something.
Here.
Get some more.
Then they'll fill it up too. You might just take it in.
What happens once you take it in?
It's out of our hands. Okay,
Here.
thank you. Okay, you can take it in.
But somebody, but then...
Yeah.
Oh,
You take it in for you?
I see. Oh no, maybe this guy wants some. You want some of this? It's just stuff I don't need. Help yourself.
The whole bin?
Yeah, the whole bin. Oh yeah.
Can you take it?
Yeah.
Really? Well, are they good?
Yeah, they're perfectly good.
Yeah.
But this is after. Yeah, well, have some more.
Okay, well, thank you. Well, you can take it inside.
So there's somebody that runs the place?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, but
Yeah.
you can take it inside and then they hand them out.
Yeah.
Oh, then it gets nasty and you have to stand out in the cold.
Well, you guys take what you want. And then
Take it
if
inside.
someone wants to just take it in there and dump it on the table or whatever.
Stick it in there.
Sure, and then you get your food. Well, here I can give you a hand. I could grab one side.
And bring it inside.
Okay, just take her in there, dump her in.
Yeah. Well, thank you.
Enjoy the day. Yeah, you
Hey
got-
bro, bring that bin back. Bring the bin back when you're done.
Trying to warm up. You guys stay here? How does this work?
We couldn't get into our apartment last night. This one night. We got a testing for school today. I got matches.
That's good.
Thanks for the try. Yeah, everyone
Yeah.
appreciates that.
Oh yeah, no worries.
We took all the good stuff though.
Yeah, so those are some of the people who would have got that stuff to begin with maybe. It's kind of nice that they get it on a freezing day today, about minus 33. My fingers are about to fall off. I've only been outside for 3 minutes. I can't imagine having to live out here. Anyways, you can see how appreciative people are of just a little bit extra. So get out there, you guys, pay it forward. Get back inside my warm truck and warm up my hands, and everybody else is not so lucky. Took nothing out of my day. Have a great day, everybody. What would Ellen say? Be kind to one another.